In this video, I'm going to tell you why it's important to choose a top-tier company to apply your ceramic coating and why it's better than picking a cheaper shop or doing it yourself. I got 4 main points to talk to you today about why you should have a professional and a top-tier shop install your ceramic coating. And if you stick around to the end, I'm going to show you what a common mistake looks like if you don't do that. Tools, equipment, and products. So while it's true that anybody can install a ceramic coating, we have things here like our AC system that many shops don't have and most do-it-yourselfers do not have. These tools, such as our lighting, our surface preparation chemicals, our climate-controlled area, and other products ensure that your ceramic coating is applied flawlessly. Coatings and applications can be more finicky the longer they last, and even in some professional shops where there is no climate control, applying a ceramic coating can be more difficult or even technically impossible, as some coatings are not meant to be used outside of a specified temperature range. This increases the chances of mistakes. We also only use the best towels and tools, and we buy them in bulk, something that isn't practical for the average do-it-yourselfer and many other cheaper shops don't use. The next thing is knowledge. With knowledge and experience comes efficiency and quality of work. Living and breathing ceramic coating and paint correction and the best processes for efficiency give the best results. For example, many people use alcohol wipe downs as the final wipe, which is not the best method for ensuring the longevity of the coating. Even some professional shops still use the wrong wipe down material. Time and money is the next point. And while it may seem like it's cheaper for you to go with an inexpensive shop or do it yourself, many times this results in mistakes that end up costing you more time and money than you had originally planned for. Many times people will opt to go with a cheaper shop or do it themselves, only to find out that all the small tools that increase longevity of the coating, ensure a flawless install, and save time actually end up costing more than you think. Especially true if you need to fix an issue. We have had clients that have unfortunately ended up spending more money than we quoted to fix mistakes, or when they realized they were missing products that we get for less money or in bulk. Sometimes non-climate controlled shops or shops that have many employees, a lot of which are still learning, take longer than we do. And lastly, mistakes. So we are positioned to provide you aftercare support, and we have an extensive YouTube channel that shows you how to take care of your vehicle, and we're also set up to fix any mistakes that may occur during the installation. Many shops just see you as a dollar sign. Mistakes. Mistakes made with ceramic coating are generally not completely permanent unless they're made on matte or satin paint or plastics or vinyl wraps. What you see here is a high spot from ceramic coating, and this happens when you fail to wipe off a section of ceramic coating, and this can happen due to poor lighting. It can happen faster if you're not in a climate controlled shop, and of course I did this on purpose just to demonstrate, but this mistake can only be removed by a machine polisher. It will not come out by wiping it down or with any chemicals once it's dried. We see high spots like this on jobs that came from do-it-yourselfers or other shops that don't have the best lighting and climate, which increase the risk of mistakes like this. So this one mistake that we fixed took over 30 minutes to fix in this area. Now, it was an extreme example, but an example nonetheless. And if you have multiple issues like this, where even on the wheels, and you're down to hand polishing, it's going to cost you a lot more time and money to fix because you didn't go with a professional.